Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to group text on Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to do on your Android or Samsung phone is to open up the messaging app. Now, you can see I already have a group text on here. You'll notice it by the two profile icons right here and those two little check marks. To create a new group text, we're going to tap on the little bubble at the very bottom right. However, if you see I start typing in someone's name and I choose Trevor iPhone, it automatically brings me over to an individual text message instead of a group chat. To create a group chat instead, we're going to tap on that bubble, and then you can see right under where it says to, it says create a group. Just tap on that, and now you'll be able to see it says new group chat. And from here, I can choose multiple people. So let's say I'm going to choose Aaron on this list, and then I'm going to also choose BJ. So I've selected a couple of people, and I can continue to just add more people. Can you keep in mind, you can add up to about 20 people to this group chat, and then hit the next button. Now I can name this group whatever I want. In this case, I'm going to name this family, and then I'm going to hit done. So I've created this group chat with these two people, and now I can start texting them. I can say hi or whatever I want, and then hit send. Now, keep in mind, after I've done that, I can also tap on those three dots at the top right, and then go to group details from here. You can see on here, I can tap on the name if I wanted to rename it. I can also scroll down and I can remove somebody from a group chat just by tapping on the three dots. Oh, usually on those three dots, you can just tap on it and then remove them. Unfortunately, in this case, it's not letting me, but I can also add people just by tapping on add people. And just like that, I can add more people to this group chat. Of course, I can also just go back out of here and I can do other things like send them messages, send them photos, voice memos, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.